Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set a do not disturb schedule in the Smart Life application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the Me button at the bottom of the page on the right, and then click on the Settings button at the top of the page on the right, and then click on the App Notification button, and at the Device Alert section, click on the Do Not Disturb Schedule button. So first you can set if you want to set this function to all devices or just selected devices. And you can set the repetition, so if you want to repeat it every day or just on specific days. So for example, if you don't want to be repeated at on Tuesdays or Wednesdays, then just click on the blue circle, and you won't get notifications or alerts that day. So and then you can just set the starting and the ending time. So for example, from 11 p.m. to 7 a.m. and but yeah, you can just scroll it and set it for yourself. And if you're done with everything, just click on the Save button at the top of the page on the right, and your schedule is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.